In this tutorial I will guide you on how to check your iPhone storage in a few simple steps. Make sure to watch the entire video to fully understand the process. To begin, open the Settings app on your iPhone and scroll down to find the General option. Tap on it and you'll see iPhone storage listed. Tap on that and it may take a moment to load. At the top of the page, you'll find the details of your iPhone storage. For example, it will show the total storage capacity and how much space you have used. This includes storage used by apps, iOS, and system data. You can scroll down to view a list of all the installed apps and the storage space each app occupies. If you are running low on storage, you can delete apps to free up space. Simply tap on the app you want to remove, then select Delete app and confirm your action. If you have any questions about this process, feel free to ask in the comment below. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos. Thank you for watching and have a great day.